Victoria's Secret agent Joe Journey on a new mission.
I have to locate the enemy agents. All I know is that they'll be disguised as birds.
Joe Journey's young assistant, Millie Mountain, is always ready to help.
So you're looking for a bird, huh? That shouldn't be too hard.
Unfortunately, it would be hard.
I have a terrible secret. I went to a special agent school. I never had science class.
That's not so terrible.
Yes, it is. I don't know what a bird looks like.
Oh. Without knowing the characteristics of birds, how can Joe Journey?
Never fear, birds are have special characters. I can tell them to you, and then you can find your enemy agent. Now, what do you already know about birds?
I think they fly.
Well, that's a start.
Look, I see something flying by. That must be a bird. Let me get my freeze ray.
But it wasn't a bird, it was a dragonfly.
No, put the freeze ray away. It's not a bird. It's a dragonfly. Birds are vertebrates. This means it has backbones. Dragonflies have instinct. They don't have backbones.
Birds are also warm-blooded. Insects are cold-blooded.
Oh, got it. Birds have backbones, and I think I just heard someone say that they are warm-blooded.
At that moment, a bat flew in front of Joe Journey and Millie.
A bird, I see one. Get it.
No, a bat is not kind of bird. Bats are warm-blooded, yes. They are vertebrates, but do they have fur?
Joe Journey was confused.
Birds do not have fur.
No, mammals have fur. Birds have feathers.
So we're looking for a creature with backbone, warm-blooded, and feathers.
Birds also lay their eggs to take care of their babies.
But an evil agent disguised as a bird probably wouldn't be taking care of baby birds.
You never know, it could be a good disguise.
Look over there. It's a bird.
With his fast secret agent reflexes, Joe Journey caught the bird.
Does it have characteristics of a bird?
Let's see. It has a backbone. It feels warm-blooded. It has feathers. It's a bird.
But it wasn't an enemy agent, it was a real bird.
Amazing. A real bird. You know what? Let's quit the mission. I want to learn more about birds.
But
Bird watching, here I come.